Let's assume that this is a completed Word document. We have this heading, and below this heading we have this description that talks about this particular heading. And in this document we have this heading aligned to the center of this Word document, and we want to have this aligned to the left margin so that it matches with this paragraphs. Therefore, what we are going to do is to click between this text so that we have the cursor blinking. Then we use Ctrl+L on the keyboard, and this is going to align this heading to the left margin to match these paragraphs. The next one is when you move below this heading, we have these two paragraphs, and the second paragraph we want to have an indentation applied to it, and this simple indentation is to have it pushed to the right side. You have the cursor blinking within this paragraph, then you use Ctrl+M on the keyboard, and repeatedly you are going to have this paragraph indented